Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we have a delicious autumnal pumpkin pie which is just a perfect recipe for this fall season. Today's ingredients are egg replacer, maple syrup, soya milk, corn flour, sugar, vanilla extract, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, coconut oil and short crust pastry. Forgetting the star of the recipe, organic allotment grown pumpkin, which we're going to cook on a low heat for 2 hours, roasting nicely in the oven. Once the pumpkin is out of the oven, we're going to take off the outer skin, cut it up into cubes and put it to one side. Next we're going to weigh out the sugar and the corn flour, and then we're going to add the ground ginger, the ground cinnamon, the ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt and also the egg replacer, and then we're just going to make sure that's all combined together so there's no little lumps in there. Next in the process, we're going to mash the pumpkin until it has a very smooth consistency. We're going to add the mashed pumpkin into our dry ingredients. We're going to add the remainder of our wet ingredients, the maple syrup, the coconut oil, the soya milk and the vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix that together until it's all combined really well. Once our mixture is all smooth and a nice consistency, we're going to put it to one side. We're going to blind bake our pastry for 15 minutes at gas mark 4. We're then going to put the mixture into the pastry case, smooth it over really well till it's all nice and flat. We're going to bake that in the oven at gas mark 7 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Here we have our final product, the beautiful pumpkin pie with those beautiful spices that help to bring out the flavor. And doesn't it just look and taste delicious? And this would go nicely with some vegan vanilla ice cream. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and we'll be having our website up very soon where you'll be able to access all of the recipes. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and comment below for what you'd like to see us do next. See you next time.